8017 Tailwind. Maybe touch up the paint on the wood trim. We actually had a client buy a property on this street. We do have grass in the front yard, so the owner will probably have to maintain that. We don't have wood around the garage that needs to be maintained, so that's good. One less thing. There are 3 dogs inside the house, so it's going to get a little loud. So we have a screen door. The property manager really likes that. Maybe touch up or repaint this front door. So we have laminate flooring as soon as you enter the house, and then overall it looks to be in good condition. It may not be the best quality, but it looks to be in good condition. But we have this here. This room has carpet. You can't get that light to turn on. As you can see, it's looks like it was installed after. We would need a blind there, but I don't know what this room is doing here. That's the main thing. So we're at 2 windows, 3 windows, nice upgraded light fixture, paint is in good condition. We do have some dark accent walls, but I'd say overall the feel that I get from this home is that it's well taken care of. 4 windows. And of course the yard out front was beautiful, and the backyard is looking really beautiful as well. Lots of privacy. We're surrounded by 1 stories. This is fake grass, which property manager will absolutely love. Tiny little scratch here. You might see that in some places. I mean, I expect to see it in a property where people are living, we have dogs, you know. It just happens. Laminate counters. The wall is a creamish off-white color. Probably repaint this garage door as well. We have a ceiling fan in the garage, which if it works might be a plus. Some people will appreciate that. We don't have doors here. Don't know if it's necessary. Maybe take that sliding rack out. I really don't know. We have pedestals. I don't know if I can get back behind there. Yeah, you can see a little bit of the ridges and things like that. And here come the doggies. Okay, we have greenish carpet and brown and blue. So I think it was a DIY job on the flooring. Low maintenance tub. You don't need caulking and grout everywhere. Ow, sorry. So we have that same dark greenish carpet in here. Nice large fan. This one was DIY as well. And there's a leak there in the past. That's not necessarily a big deal at all. We just make sure the inspector pays attention to it, and we ask the owner, baseboards are missing, to disclose whatever the issue was and how it was remedied. So I'm going to count the bathroom window. So we're at window 2. That needs blinds. So yeah, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 windows needs blinds.